Whether you're applying for a college or university place, going after an apprenticeship, or applying for your first job, you need to make a good impression. This short video explains what we're looking for at Solihull Sixth Form College to help you make a good first impression. Remember that while colleges are trying to show you why you should choose them, you also need to demonstrate to colleges why they should make you an offer. This means you need to put some time and effort into your application. These tips should help. First of all, make sure you provide accurate information on your application. This means typing carefully and spell checking your application so things like your name and contact details are correct. If they're not, we won't be able to get back in touch with you to discuss your application. Secondly, make sure you give us as much detail as possible. Particularly during the pandemic when face-to-face interviews were cancelled, the information you put in your application form is all important. So if you're asked to tell us about you, make sure you write more than a few lines. This is your chance to show us what a great person you are. Next, make sure you show good communication skills. You should be professional, and remember you're not talking to a family member or a friend. Be mindful not to use text speak or inappropriate language. Be yourself, but make sure you're polite at all times. Much of our communication with you will be by email. As such, make sure you have a professional email address. Some email addresses are fine for talking to your friends and family, but don't create a great impression to a college or employer. If necessary, set up a new email account and make sure you check your inbox regularly so you don't miss any important communications. Next, you need to tell us about your qualifications. Knowing what courses you're doing at school and what your predicted grades are is what tells us whether you're likely to be able to cope with advanced level study. So don't miss out any of your courses. We need to know it all. You can get these predicted grades from your school, and we will also contact the school to get a reference. When it comes to applying for our courses, be clear on your choices. If you're applying for A-levels, remember you need to apply for a minimum of 3 subjects. If you're interested in BTEC courses, you may find that the course you want to do is available at 3 different levels, equivalent to 1, 2, or even 3 A-levels. If you're not sure which option is right for you, contact the college by email or on social media to get some advice. Write a good personal summary. We give prospective students the chance to tell us a bit about themselves, so make sure you take this opportunity and fulfill the 100-word tally we're suggesting. If you take the time to do this well and tell us about your hobbies and achievements, it will show us how keen you are. We include a section in the application about additional support and medical information. Please give us details of any support you're likely to require. This means we can do our best to put it in place for you. This includes whether you're in care, a young adult carer, or have an EHCP. Finally, please take time to find out a bit about the college. Whether it's coming to an open day, visiting our website, or engaging with the college at a school liaison event, it means you will know a little something about us when it comes to having your interview with us. We conduct short interviews with all students who look likely to meet our entry requirements. It's nothing to worry about, but if you've done some preparation, you'll feel much more confident going in. We hope these tips have been helpful. If you visit our website at www.solihullsfc.ac.uk, you can make an application anytime between mid-October and the end of March. Good luck!